animals gone? Let's find them. Look at that! It's a colorful bucket full of shiny gems. How beautiful! What else is inside? Let's see. What's it? Look, we found our first puzzle piece. It's a funny cow. Where should we put it? Can you say a good place for a cow? Oh, I see a good place. Let's put it here. Great job! Wow, it's a fairy tale castle. Who lives in it? Let's see. Look, it's a little princess. Hello, princess.
Hello.
I think she'd like a cup of tea. Let's put her at the table. Well done. I don't see any animals here, do you? Oh, look, it's a unicorn. And he brought us the next puzzle piece. It's a chicken. Where does it go? Can you see a shape that looks like a chicken? I think I see it. Let's try. Right. Look at these colorful barns. Is anyone hiding here? Let's find out. There's no one here. How about these ones? No. Let's take these barns. Nothing. Let's take the blue one. I think there's something inside. Hooray! We found our next animal. It's a cat.
Yoo-hoo!
Where should we put it? I'm not sure. Do you see a good place? How about this place in the right-hand corner? Well done! Look, we have some colorful boats. It's a wonderful green boat. What else? There are orange and yellow boats. How about these ones? The pink and purple boats. There's a pig in the pink one. I didn't notice it. You hit well, Piggy, but I found you. Where does it go? Let's put it here. Great! Look, it's a house and a bunch of keys. Which shall we use? What do you think? I know! We need to use a green key in a cross shape. Let's look for it. Can you see it? Oh, it's here! Let's try to open. It worked! We found a green cat! Hello, kitty! And what's it? Look, it's our next puzzle piece. It's a dog. Where should we put it? Can you see a shape that looks like a dog? Oh, it's here! Well done! It's a colorful dump truck. What's in its back? Let's see. Look, we have our next animal. It's a donkey. Where should we put the donkey? How about put it here? Great job! Look at these colorful crayons. Which one should I choose? How about the yellow one? I wonder what's inside. Let's open. Look, we found another animal. It's a goat. Where does it go? Maybe here? No, I don't think so. How about put it here? Great job! Look at that! It's a gingerbread house. Is anyone home? Knock, knock, knock. Let's open the door. Look, who is it? Let's get it. Oh, it's our next puzzle piece. It's a sheep. Where should we put it? Oh, it's easy. I'll put it right here. Great! Look at this wonderful animal puzzle. Thank you for helping me complete it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.